So I'm excited to show you these this morning. You know, this whole trend of sheer sleeves is really strong, and I'm going to do this with black this time. So you can see this is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's just the most beautiful fabric, but it's sheer. It is just lovely, but it is sheer and 100% cotton, but great. You could do the whole thing with a little tank underneath or do just the sleeves. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a cotton poly. I love this, little floral. It has stretch in both directions. It's soft, it's cuddly. It's just, you'd want it. Great drape. Just a great little t-shirt, and then maybe do the sheer sleeves. So this is a poly spandex, which means it has amazing drape. It is a fabulous fabric. Leggings, this is just perfect for just yoga pants, anything. I did this just because it's just a great fabric and it would blend in bottom, top wise, every wise. Or you could do the bottom out of this and then do the top out of this. This is the last of the fabric we have with the words on it. I love this fabric. This is a charcoal. This would be great for sleeves. We had a lady in the store who did this. She did 196, the little four-way cardie, and it was just adorable. So it's got words all through it. We'll take a close-up picture so you can see that. This is 100% cotton. I don't know how they did it, but they did. 100% cotton. It's beautiful. Looking closely at it, the words were actually weaved, not burned out. And that's how they did it, actually. So typically on burnout, you have to have two fibers and one burns out. But this, they had the words built into the weave, so that as the fabric was knitted, it created the words. So that's how they did the 100% cotton. Anyway, it's a stunning fabric. This is great for sleeves also. Has a one-way stretch. Adorable. You can see it's just light and airy and very, very pretty. It's a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. Then this fabric is graded. It's lighter at the top, darker at the bottom. It's a tie-dye, but it's beautiful. You know, it burns almost 100% cotton. There's a tiny little bit of poly in there, but it's really, really pretty. Very pretty fabric. So I just wanted to let you see that. Isn't that pretty? Just lighter at the top and then just more darkness at the bottom. It's just a tie-dye and it's all throughout, but it's really pretty and great drape. So again, if you wanted to do a body out of that and then sleeves, you know, that were sheer, it makes a great combination. If you search for sheer sleeves, you'll find a really great selection of really super ideas. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.